Imagine stepping into a world where nature meets artistry, where every petal, every leaf, and every design tells a story. Welcome to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show, the ultimate celebration of horticultural brilliance. This year's show was more than just a feast for the eyes. It was a bold statement on sustainability, creativity, and the deep connection between people and plants. From breathtaking show gardens to stunning floral displays, RHS Chelsea Flower Show redefined what it means to design with nature. Join us as we explore the highlights, uncover the inspirations, and relive the magic of one of the world's most prestigious garden shows. RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024, a tapestry of nature's artistry. The Royal Horticultural Society, RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024 once again blossomed into a world-renowned spectacle of horticultural mastery and innovative landscape design. This year's event, held from May 21st to 25th, transformed the grounds of the Royal Hospital Chelsea into an enchanting oasis, brimming with vibrant colors, intricate textures, and awe-inspiring creations. Show gardens, a symphony of sustainability and artistry. The show gardens, the heart and soul of the Chelsea Flower Show, captivated visitors with their breathtaking beauty and thought-provoking themes. This year, sustainability and environmental consciousness took center stage, with designers showcasing ingenious ways to integrate eco-friendly practices into garden design. Lush green spaces were punctuated by vibrant floral displays, cascading water features, and sculptural elements crafted from recycled materials. The Sanctuary Garden, designed by renowned landscape architect Sarah Eberly, offered a tranquil haven of reflection and rejuvenation. Inspired by the restorative power of nature, the garden featured a meandering stream, a tranquil pond, and a harmonious blend of native and exotic plants. Visitors were encouraged to pause and reconnect with the natural world, finding solace in its serene ambiance. The Great Pavilion, a kaleidoscope of floral splendor. Stepping into the Great Pavilion was like entering a magical realm of floral artistry. This vast marquee showcased an awe-inspiring array of blooms, each meticulously cultivated to perfection. From delicate orchids and vibrant roses to exotic succulents and towering delphiniums, the displays were a testament to the passion and dedication of growers from around the world. The Orchid Extravaganza was a particular highlight, featuring a breathtaking collection of rare and exotic orchid species. The intricate patterns and vibrant hues of these delicate flowers captivated visitors, showcasing the remarkable diversity of the orchid family. Artisan gardens, small spaces, big ideas. The artisan gardens proved that size is no constraint on creativity. These smaller gardens, tucked away in hidden corners of the showgrounds, showcased innovative design solutions for urban spaces. From vertical gardens overflowing with edible plants to miniature wildflower meadows buzzing with pollinators, these gardens offered a wealth of inspiration for transforming even the smallest outdoor spaces into havens of biodiversity. The Urban Oasis Garden, designed by a team of young landscape architects, demonstrated how to maximize functionality and sustainability in a compact city garden. The garden featured a rainwater harvesting system, a living wall teeming with herbs and vegetables, and a cozy seating area perfect for relaxation and contemplation. Beyond the gardens, a celebration of horticulture. The Chelsea Flower Show is more than just a showcase of beautiful gardens. It's a celebration of the art and science of horticulture. Visitors could explore a wide range of exhibits, from cutting-edge gardening tools and technology to artisan crafts and gourmet food and drink. The show also featured a series of informative talks and workshops covering topics such as organic gardening, sustainable landscaping, and the importance of pollinators. The Chelsea Flower Show 2024, an unforgettable experience. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024 was a resounding success, leaving a lasting impression on visitors from all walks of life. The show's emphasis on sustainability, innovative design, and the sheer joy of gardening resonated with a global audience. As the final curtain fell on this horticultural extravaganza, visitors left inspired, rejuvenated, and eager to bring a touch of Chelsea magic to their own gardens.